Okay, class. We're going to talk about a few things when we get onto income, some changes that need to happen. Make sure that you put everything to 2020, not 2021. Make sure to put a note in there. The main reason why is because then you're not going to be able to um, not going to be able to make the changes later on once you get past the current date. It's not going to populate, make the changes to the balance. So 2020 is what everything needs to be put under, so it works. Also, make sure you scroll down here. Select the correct expense. You want to select the under expense the fuel or groceries, depending on which one you're working on. So let's go ahead and get on with Wave Financial. So far, hopefully you guys are learning something from this. I know we just got started, so hopefully you got everything set up through your bills. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about income. So what you do is you click Add Income right here. All right, there it goes. Bond's gonna double it. Probably he's being slow. So I already entered the income. And so what you're going to be doing is I'm just going to show you guys how you do it. And I know you're all thinking about, okay, there's tax involved. How are we going to get the tax factor? Don't worry, it's going to get in. So you're going to click right here and go ahead, scroll through January, put 2020. Okay, payment, pay them. Put whatever you want to put for the description. You're going to put cash on hand deposit category. And this is going to bring us income. Okay. Here you're going to put the amount. So you'll come over here and you'll find the amount of sales. Now you're going to put the total amount for this, okay? Total amount. So that's going to be 21,000, okay? Because it's going to factor in this right here for you. So 21,000. And so what we're going to do is I already have it down here. It's down here. That 21,108.75. The key thing I want to show you guys here is include sales tax, okay? You're going to have to create new sales tax, and you're going to type in, if you want to put grocery sales tax, that's great. Put it in. Okay, pop it up. I got GS as GST as my abbreviation. And you're going to put the 0.825 and hit save, okay? And what does that do? That allows it to populate this right here. So you're going to need to create the sales tax for two categories, one for fuel and one for groceries. Okay, so make sure you do both, and you're going to hit. So when you put the value in, what happens is you're going to see it populate like this. Here, when you hit update, it's going to show your sales tax included down here. Okay, so here you see everything broken down for us. Before sales tax after, and the sales tax amount. It's all included for it. So you're going to want to do that for your sales. And if there's no sales tax, you don't need to worry about it. If there is sales tax, then you need to make sure you collect the sales and select the correct one. You don't want to select the incorrect one, okay? And so make sure you have cash on hand sales. You hit save, and you are done, okay? And what does that do for us? That helps us to be able to come over here and we can pull up our cash flow. Okay, we can pull up our profit and loss. Hit down here, 2020. Here it shows our profit and loss. Right now we're running negative. That means we didn't sell. We purchased more goods than what we needed than what we sold. Okay, and so our cost of goods is right here. So here's our fuel cost of goods, right? 16,915. We look at our spreadsheet and we go to fuel. $16,915, and then we come and look at our groceries, 21,766. And total groceries right here, 21,766. Okay. So that right there is our cost of goods. So, and then our sales is what we've sold, which were just recorded when you put those two in. And so that's going to give us our profit and loss. So right now, based off of what's going on, we're showing a net loss of 11%, and it's telling you a percentage right there. Okay. And what else can we do? We can pull up the balance sheet. Okay. You know, cash in bank to be paid out. So we got cash, 49,000 because we've collected that. Okay, we got to pay out. We got to pay liability on our sales tax that we owe, right? We owe that. Okay. So right here, here's the difference in profit. Okay. So if we go and we can pull up one more thing while we show cash flow, we can even come and look at our account general ledger. And we can see our cash on hand, all the transactions that are going on. Okay. We initial investment from the owner's investment to all the goods that we purchased to our weekly sales of additional income that was added in. Here's our accounts payables. Here's the payments we made for them. Here's our sales tax on fuel, sales, okay, weekly sales. Groceries expense, okay. And our initial investment from our owner. So everything's here on the balance sheet. That's all balanced out and showing on our account transactions. So go ahead, work on getting those initial incomes that I was just showing, get those uploaded so then you can see how that's functioning. Then we'll make another video showing how to work on the next process of some of the other items that we need to add in. You guys have a great day. I hope you're enjoying using Wave Financial. It's great. Luckily, it's free. Some of the other ones aren't, so we can get some practice using accounting software this year and practice what you've learned so far. Have a great day. If you have questions, send me a message.